Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Ctfmon.exe not automatically starting. Press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task, type regedit, check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand run. Create new string value named as Ctfmon. Change value data to C:\Windows/System32/Ctfmon.exe, click OK and exit Registry Editor. Click File, click Run New Task, type shutdown space, /r space, /f space, /t space, 00. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.